Hello Year 3, welcome back to Tuesday's math lesson with the second video. So we've just been looking at how we can divide two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. And we tried this way with the counters and it takes quite a while, so I'm going to show you a quicker way that we can do this. So we want to find out what 39 divided by 3 equals. So we can use our part-whole partitioning method to help us. So we have 39 at the top. How can we partition 39? Well, we can put our 30 over here, our 3 tens over here, and our 9 over there. And what we are being asked to do is to divide this number by 3. So if we divide 30 by 3 and 9 by 3. So 30 divided by 3, so how many 3's go into 30? The answer is 10. How many 3's go into 9? Let's check. 3, 6, 9, that's 3. And then you simply add your 10 and your 3 together and you will get 13. So our answer at the top is 39 divided by 3 equals 13. Let's try another way that we can use this. So we've got 42 and we are dividing it by 2. So how can we partition our 42? So we can have our 40 over here. Do this with me in your books. And then we have our 2 left over there. And remember, we are dividing by 2. So draw it there to remind us. So 40 divided by 2. Well, we can say 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then we can make it 10 times more. So times it by 10, which equals 20. And 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And then you simply add together those two amounts and we get 21. And that is our answer. So 42 divided by 2 is 21. Now this is really easy to do when we do not have to exchange. So let's just have a look what happens when we do need to exchange. So 42 divided by 3 this time. So we've got our 42. Now let's partition it like we did before and see what happens. Can we divide 40 by 3? Well, we can, but it won't be all equal amounts. We'll have some remainders, which is what we're going to be looking at another day. And can we divide 2 by 3? So how many 3's go into 2? Well, it doesn't, because we don't have 3 to begin with. So what we've got to do is we need to exchange. Now let me show you how we exchange here. So instead of having 40 over there and 2, we're going to have 30 here, and we're going to move one of those 10's over here to make 12. So we still have 32, but we've just moved one of our 10's to the next area so that we have 12. Now, does 30 divide by 3? Yes, it does. We know that that equals 10. And does 12 divide by 3? Let's check. 3, 6, 9, 12. It does. It is 4. And then we simply add those two together. So 10 add 4 equals 14. So our answer for 32 divided by 3 is 14, because we exchanged and we changed this to a 3 so that this side could have a 10. We've got different challenges here. Some might need exchanging, some might not. Have a go and set it out using your part-whole partitioning method to work out the following questions. Pause the video and then we will go through them together. Well done, everybody. Get your blue pen so that we can check. I wonder how many you all got on. I wonder if some of you did all of them. I wonder if some of you challenged yourself to do the hot today. Can't wait to look in your maths books to see what all your learning that you've been up to. So, mild, let's start off. We have 55. How can we partition 55? We can put 50 over here and 5 over here. And we are dividing it by 5. So just write that there to remind us. So 50 divided by 5, that one's easy. We know that that equals 10. Now 5 divided by 5, so how many 5s go into 5? 1 5 goes into 5. And then we add 10, add the 1, equals 11. And that is our answer. So 55 divided by 5 equals 11. Let's look at the next one. We've got 48 as our whole, and we are dividing it by 4. So how can we partition 48? Put our 40 over here, put our 8 over here. So 40 divided by 4 equals 10. Again, we know because 10 times 4 equals 40. How many 4s go into 8? Let's see. 4, 8, 2. So we can add those two numbers together. So 10 add 2 equals 12. And that is our answer. 48 divided by 4 equals 12. The last one, we've got 72. How can we partition 72? We can have 70 over here and 2 over there. Oh, but can we divide 2 by 6? So how many 6s go into 2? Well, they can't do that because we don't have 6 to begin with, so we can't have 6 there. We must have 12 here. But then we need to change that number and exchange, don't we? So it'll be 60 and 12 makes 72. That's how we partition this one. So 60 divided by 6, that one's easy again, that is 10. And then 12 divided by 6. So let's see what number that would be. 6, 12. That will be 2. So add those two numbers together. We already know here that it equals 12. So our answer there is 12 again. Well done if you got those correct. It is a little bit tricky to exchange using this method, but when we get the hang of it, I think we're going to be absolute superstars. So on your worksheet today, we will be focusing on the part-whole partitioning method to help us use division. So in your books, I want you to answer each question depending on what level you are on, and I want you to set it out just like the example on each part. So make sure that you use your nice circles and write your numbers clearly and how you are dividing for each question. Can't wait to see all the learning that you've done, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching Year 3. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.